Roger instructs Gary to raise his left leg and place his right hand on the right side of the bed. He and Ashleigh support Gary to roll onto his right side. Roger places the slide sheet along Gary's back and tucks the fabric under Gary's right side. Roger and Ashleigh support Gary to roll onto his left side. Here we see from the other person's perspective. Roger lays the slide sheet flat. Roger and Ashleigh support Gary to roll onto his back. Roger and Ashleigh both hold the slide sheet. They move simultaneously to move Gary up the bed. They support Gary to roll onto his left side, and Ashleigh tucks the slide sheet under him. Gary rolls onto his right side, and Roger removes the slide sheet. In this example, Gary moves himself up the bed using the slide sheet. In this example, a bed-length slide sheet is used. Roger pushes the slide sheet under Gary's back. Ashleigh pulls the slide sheet out the other side. Roger and Ashleigh pull the slide sheet up past Gary's head and down past his feet. They hold a side of the slide sheet and pull together to move Gary up the bed. Roger removes the slide sheet.